Has anybody ever tried tinned mackerel in pasta? It's pretty special, and more people are discovering the nutritional power of mackerel, which contains twice the amount of omega-3 tuna has, and also it's higher in proteins. So I thought, why not put together a little spaghetti recipe where we can use some mackerel, some garlic and some tomato puree and make something very quick, nutritional, easy and full of flavor. For this particular recipe I'm using mackerel flavored with chili already, so I won't chop any, but I put it as an option in the ingredients because it does work really well if you like hot and spicy. And as I always mention, don't burn any of the oil or the ingredients. The consistency of the tomato puree is quite dense, therefore we just add some of the spaghetti water, just a little bit, just to make sure that the sauce is nice and velvety. If you really want some tasty results, add the pasta to the sauce and stir for about a minute, so you allow the spaghetti to absorb the whole flavor. As you can see, I like extra virgin olive oil on pasta and it's just so good for you, so don't be shy with the oil. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts once you've made them, and if you want to follow the page, the details are just in here on the screen.